Namaste. As we all know that the Nobel Prize for different categories have been announced, and in this video I talk about the Nobel Prize winners for economics 2020. Yeah, the prize is called the Sveriges Riksbank Prize in Economic Sciences and is awarded in memory of Sir Alfred Nobel, and this year it was conferred jointly to two of them, Professor R. Milgrom and Professor Robert Wilson. Professor Milgrom was born in Detroit, Michigan in the United States, and he is a PhD from Stanford University in California. He is a professor of humanities and science at Stanford. Whereas Professor Wilson was born in Geneva, and he is a PhD from Harvard University and is a professor emeritus at Stanford. The award was given for their improvements in auction theory and invention of new auction formats. Auction theory, as we know, is a part of game theory, an important theory in economics. Auction is something which happens and which is used by people and government to buy and to sell different items at auction sites, and this is mainly done with the objective of maximizing revenue, of improving their bank liquidity and stuff like that. Well, in 1960s, Professor Robert Wilson started to investigate a common value in auctioning, and he later explained in his theory that there is a value which is unknown beforehand, but in the end it is the same to all the bidders. And to put it a little more elaborately, actually the value of assets is unknown when the bidders place their bids in the beginning, and there is an estimated value, a common value of the auction, and during the process of bidding, the most optimistic bidder may overestimate the value of the object, of the asset, and he may probably sometimes overpay for the asset. And when he overpays it, even though he wins the auction, it becomes a curse for him. According to them, the term has been described as the winner's curse. Professor Milgrom played a leading role in developing the theory of auctions, and when bidders have a common value and private value. Because sometimes people may individually or privately be attached to certain property or certain asset, which is why the private value steps in. Okay, and he has also played an important role in designing better auction formats to certain complex problems as in industries, and he most importantly auctioned designs for governments, especially in radio frequency, and which have been adopted in many countries. The most striking feature between the two duos' relationship is that Professor Milgrom was a doctoral student of Professor Wilson, and the teacher-student partnership continued even beyond that, only to reach such great academic heights. So it gives me great pleasure and pride to say that a teacher-student association can bring out such fantastic results. Thank you. And yeah, if you like my video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel so that you get new notifications, and do support by sharing the videos on your WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. Thank you. Jai Hind.